no, I have this one, but it's in gold, and I'm not, listen, I don't like it. Don't like Hot Tools. I'm not using their stuff no more. Don't like it. Not using the Chi, but I definitely want to use the Chi for this. Look at this. This is so cute. Yes, definitely need that. Yeah, not feeling it. Yeah, like I already said, I'm not feeling this stuff. Okay, guys, here's the T3s. This is the 1 inch. Wow. What? Oh, wow. Okay. It's cute, but I don't know. I like this size. This is like the perfect size, and it's a good price. It's my first time holding this. I like it. It feels like it's very durable too. We'll see. It's extra long. Oh, this is a 1/2 inch. I don't think I'm gonna get this one. It's too big. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this one. It feels like comfortable for me. Yeah. Okay. Definitely not gonna get any of these ones. Ooh, Olivia Garden. She has a blow dryer, but there's no information about it. So, I'm not feeling it. I've been thinking about getting this one. Shout out to Tracy. And it has a cool shot. I need that cool shot. So, I don't know. We'll see about this one. No, not right now. See, created for curly, curly hair. That's what you know what I'm saying? I don't really know.